Yeah, Jessica, that's right. Students are back on campus here at Garces Memorial High School, but COVID-19 indeed has reshaped life in the classroom. But students and staff tell me that they are doing everything they can as a team to make sure everyone is safe. Students are back in class, but there are new safety protocols they must all follow in light of COVID-19.
All of our desks are 6 feet apart just to make sure social distancing is happening. They wear masks the entire time. They're in their classes as well.
Micah Peck, the Garces Memorial High School principal, says COVID-19 has transformed the daily routines for their roughly 450 students and 43 staff members that returned to campus more than a week ago.
They disinfect their seat before they sit in it. There's hand sanitizers in every room. They get their temperature checked before every class period.
For the last 5 weeks, schools have been able to reopen without a waiver application. Both public health and the current superintendent of schools say they do not track the reopening schools, and that even if the county scales back into the purple tier due to the rise in cases, schools that are open before that will not have to close back down. Still, no new schools will be allowed to reopen. Peck says one student tested positive for COVID-19 recently that did not originate on campus, and they isolated the case.
The first thing I do is I call my boss, the Diocese of Fresno, then I call Kern Public Health, and then we start contact tracing, and then we work all together to make sure it's an isolated incident.
Students or staff who test positive must quarantine for 14 days. On day 15, they can return. Public Health doesn't require a negative COVID-19 test to return, but if they are still showing symptoms, Garces does require a negative test. Students like Jacqueline Salas say they miss the social interaction on campus and enjoying a sense of normalcy.
I'm so happy to have all my friends around, seeing the teachers that I loved and missed so much. And I just kind of forgot how important it is to have like in-person learning and have that connection with your teachers.
Now, staff also told 23 ABC News that COVID-19 has added an extra layer of pressure onto teachers and staff because not only are they doing everything they can to ensure that their students go home healthy and come back healthy as well, teachers are also now working to make sure that they're properly educating their students that are still at home working from a distance, and the students that they now have back on campus working on this in class together as a group all at once on a daily basis. Now, they also say they are now utilizing every building that they have on this campus as a classroom to ensure that students and teachers can maintain their social distance. But for now, reporting in Northeast Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC News, connecting you.